Hi, I'm Ron from Radio Ads Direct, and in this video we're going to talk about getting started and getting your business on the radio the easy way with RadioAdsDirect.com. Now the first thing we're going to do is hit Get Started so we can sign up for a free account. There's no credit card required, of course. Everything is free, and you can see how the site works and get started right away. Now you'll notice at the top, the first selection here is individual or business. Normally you're going to select business here, but if you happen to be an individual, maybe you're looking at advertising a special community event or maybe a garage sale or something like that, you could sign up as an individual. You don't actually have a business. But for today, we're going to look at this from a business perspective. So we're going to click business here, and then you're going to put in your information, your name, and your company name, which is super important. And you're going to put in a good contact email for you. Make sure this is a good working email. This is where all of your verifications are going to go, where things are going to be sent to you. And you're going to put in a good phone number here. I'm not putting in a real phone number for this today because we're not going to be able to show the text messaging, but the system does have a way of sending you a text message for confirmations and when recordings are available. So if you do have that available to you, I highly encourage you do so. Now we're going to put in a password for our account. And there are some requirements for this password, so I'm going to go ahead and put in a simple one so you can see what's required here. First of all, it has to be at least 8 characters, and it does require a special character as well. So you're going to want to make sure you have 8 characters, probably a letter and a number, and special characters here. As you can see, I didn't make the passwords match, so let me go back and correct that. As I mentioned, you're going to want to enable text notifications if you can, as long as you've got a valid phone number up there, because this is going to be a lot faster way of getting notifications when certain things happen. Maybe you have a recording ready, something that requires your attention. The text is going to be a faster way of getting that. I'm not going to do this today, so we don't have a valid phone number in here, but let's go ahead and create the account. And as you can see, it's sending us a verification email so that we can get a code to put in here. This is for two-factor authentication, so let's go and check our email box. And here's our email, 193349. Go ahead and copy that. We'll put that right in here. And then we're going to verify that code. Now, I should be able to log in using my username and password. When you log into Radio Ads Direct for the first time, it's going to take you to your dashboard screen. And obviously, we're a brand new account. We haven't done anything yet, but there are some quick things we can look at here in the dashboard that you'll get familiar with as you start to use the platform. The first one is this top section. This top section is going to show you at a glance your overall ad performance. So once you have ad campaigns running, it's going to tell you how many impressions that you have scheduled, what the total cost of those orders were, and how many commercial airings that there have been and that there are scheduled to be. You've also got a section for offers. This is going to show you any kind of promotional codes that might be available to you. You want to keep an eye on this because these are some great discounts that can become available from time to time. So you might get 20% off an order or something like that. So make sure to keep an eye on that. It's going to show you any special offers that may be available. The next section is recent orders, and this is going to show up to your last 6 orders that you've created with the system, and it's a great way of keeping track of that. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you've got your recent recordings, which is the audio associated with your campaigns, and there are some sections here where you can create a recording or request a commercial be produced for you. And we're going to get into the recording process in the next video. But for now, you've created a Radio Ads Direct account, and you're on your way to creating a successful radio campaign.